I'm so impressed with the design of this BIRDBAK knife sharpener. So over the years, I've sharpened knives many ways. I was in Boy Scouts and we always had to learn things like that, but I've never done it quite like this. So the way it works is this little block of wood has a magnet. Your knife attaches to it. And then this round piece, which is weighted, which is pretty cool, has a rough side. So think rough sandpaper and then a fine side. So you want to start with the rough side and you're simply going to roll it back and forth just a couple times. And then you go back the other way. And then you want to switch and go to the fine side. And as you can see, even though this is a really big knife, my fingers are still a safe distance away from the blade of the knife. So I'm pretty safe. So cool. Just run it back and forth. And this knife looks really sharp now. Such a cool product. I'm very impressed with this. I can't wait to use it on some other knives. Now this one, I was using the 15-degree side for a bigger knife. For a smaller knife, you want to use the 20-degree side. So same idea, you're going to set it on there and you'll just simply roll it back and forth. Very cool. I highly recommend it.